Right now, our Health Sentiment API is showing an unusual momentum of plus 0.84 and a sentiment score that's flat at plus 0.00. What's noteworthy here is that while sentiment is stagnant, the momentum indicates a potential shift in sentiment direction. With 20 semantic clusters, you can dive deeper into the nuances of health discussions occurring right now. For you as a developer, this means you can identify emerging trends even when general sentiment appears stable. Picture building an application that alerts healthcare providers when certain health topics begin to gain traction, allowing them to respond proactively. Want to explore this data further? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.